Hey guys, welcome to Grit Fitness SMU. I wanted to give you a little crib style tour of one of our newest fitness studios and show you all that we have to offer. And most importantly, we are located in the heart of SMU Blvd, right above the Barley House, so you can work hard and also play hard after your workout. So let's go take a little tour. So as soon as you come in, obviously we've got the Girl Power mural to power up your workout, and it wouldn't be right if we didn't have the pearl embellishments on our strong fists to get you motivated to work out. Whenever you come in, you can always check in for your classes with our awesome front desk staff who will be right here. The important thing you need to know about all of our studio locations is that we always have 2 studio rooms. So if you're taking spin classes, you check in out here. And if you're taking some of our group fitness classes, you would check in at our other check-in desk, which is right here. So lots of options at Grit. We know that there's lots of boss women in the Grit fam, so when you're rushing in from work, we've got you covered with the women's changing room. So as soon as you come in, check in at the front desk. You can come on in here, you know, work clothes, workout clothes. Get ready for it, always good stuff for you. And we want to make sure your mind's in the right place, so it wouldn't be right if we didn't have a positive motivational quote so you can unleash the warrior princess within and then go get your workout on. Yep, we like to keep it real. Come on in. So, this is the way that you'd make it to the studio. Water for you to fill up your water bottle. Of course, no grit, no pearl. The mindset you want to have. Without the hard work, baby, there's no reward. Come on in here. This is where the magic happens for all of our group fitness classes. So, dance, cardio, power bell, body sculpt, grit, HIIT, all of the gritty strength classes and cardio classes take place right here inside of our main studio. And because you always have to unleash your Sasha fierceness, it wouldn't be right without the Beyonce silhouette. One awesome class that we have here at our SMU studio is Camp Grit. So we use rowers, we use the TRX. It really is the ultimate girl power boot camp. So you can get your strength, get your cardio on. And if you're not in the mood to lift weights, that's cool. We got you covered. We'll just take you over to our spin studio. If you want to get your sweat on, get your party on the bike, you can just make your way down this lovely hallway. Make sure you give us your song request beforehand. We need that. Come on into our cycle studio. This is where the magic happens. The lights are down low, the music is loud, the playlist is always on point, and this is where all of our spin classes happen. So we got 20 bikes here at the SMU studio, so if you want to get a double in, 30 minutes of spin, 30 minutes of lifting, we've got you covered. Hope to see you in the studio soon. Welcome to Grit Fitness SMU.